Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Addie. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and subscribe for sure. Give this video a big thumbs up. Alright guys, so we're gonna make a cake. I'll see you guys in just a minute. Okay guys, so right now, we are actually in our kitchen right now. So right now, the first thing you're gonna do is just gonna spray your can that you're gonna use.
And you have to turn the oven on, temperature to 350 degrees.
Yes.
As you need a cake mix.
And
we have
cake mix.
Cake mix, devil's food. Then you need three eggs.
And Mimi just washed them.
You need a cup of water
And
1/3 cup of oil. Let's put the cake mix in the bowl.
So we need to cut it. We have this blue bowl right now. You said a mix.
So pour in the cup of water.
Where? This one?
Yes.
Okay, this is the cup of water. Oh, that's heavy.
Pour it all in.
Yeah.
Now take the 1/3 cup of oil.
This one?
Yes, pour it in.
I'm gonna get it to right here. Doop. Doop. Alright.
Now crack your 3 eggs and put the 3 eggs in.
This one?
Yes.
Alright.
They are farm fresh chicken eggs. Okay.
Hopefully when I mix it. Oh, that's definitely cracked. Oh, I don't like it. It's so disgusting. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this, guys.
Yes, you are.
Just a big crack.
Awesome.
Oh,
Good job.
that was a big crack. All right.
Okay, so she's got everything in the bowl.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do next, Daddy?
Mix it with this, baby.
Okay, and we put it on low until we get it all mixed.
Okay, guys, I'm kind of scared about this now.
And you have to keep your beaters all the way down in the bowl so it doesn't splatter all over the kitchen.
Yeah, and I don't want you guys to see it. All right.
Okay, ready? On number 1. All the way down in the bowl. There you go, good job. Okay, once it all gets blended together, you turn it on medium, number 3, for 2 minutes.
Now?
Yes. For 2 minutes.
Tell me when to stop, okay?
Okay.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, off!
There you go. Okay,
All
so we have our pan that we have sprayed with the olive oil. So now we have our cake all mixed up. She's going to put it in the pan. Grandma's going to help her because it's very heavy.
All right.
Look at that. You take a spatula, you kind of get it all out of the bowl.
It's going to be so good.
So now it's all ready to put in the oven.
But guys, actually Uncle Josh's birthday. Thank you.
Put it right on top there.
On top. Guys, who knew I could actually do that? That's crazy.
That is.
All right,
And
let's-
close it up and we'll set the timer.
All right.
And I think what Addie likes best is licking the things. Licking the
Guys,
beaters,
it's like-
the spatula.
Because guys, it's like you're tasting the cake how it is, and if it needs more, that's how it works, guys. That's how cooking works.
And now she has the beaters.
Guys, that's how cooking is actually working, just like I said, with the spatula. Because you have to taste what you made, just in case it needs more, or it doesn't. So
we put the cake in the oven and we set the timer for 26 minutes.
Then when it beeps, then we take it out.
When we beeps, we will get a toothpick, put it in the center.
And then if it comes out clean, then it's ready. But if it doesn't come out clean and if it comes out dirty, then it still needs to be in there.
Oh, it's time to check. Right in the center.
Like right here?
Yes.
It's pretty clean.
I'd say it's done.
All right.
All right.
So let's go ahead and take it out, guys. Let's put the sprinkles on. What do you guys say?